students, welcome to the 6th lecture of trigonometry, right? The concept which we have seen in the 5th lecture, we'll see some questions, right, where we can use those concepts and develop our science ability. Let us start. So the first question, evaluate, right? So you must remember the values of trigonometrical quantities. So let us substitute the values, right? Tan 30, the value is 1 by root 3. Square we have, so we'll square. If you have not learned trigonometrical tables or all those what I have taught in the lecture number 5, please learn it very well. If you can try, please try to solve these questions. If you don't get answer, you can come back to this video and see for the solutions. Let's start. So 4 by 3, right? Value of tan 30. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Square we have. Then 3. Cos 60, its value is 1 by 2. And we have square. So if we simplify this, dot means multiplication. Cancelled. So answer is 4 by 9. Simple. Right? Second sum. So here we'll use the concept of complementary angles, right? Cos 70, sin 20. 20 can be written as 90 minus 70. Please see how to use complementary concept, right? 20, it's complementary, I will write down. Either use complementary concept in the denominator or in the numerator. Don't use it at both the places. Use at only one of the place. Either in the numerator or in the denominator. I have used it in the denominator. Let us start. Again here also I'll use it in the denominator. So cos, what is the complementary of 20? 20, 90 minus 70. So cos 70, now we know what is sin 90 minus theta. Sin 90 minus x, recollect, cos x. So in place of x we have 70, so we'll write down 70. Same thing here, cos 90 minus theta, or you say cos 90 minus x. In place of x you have 70, right? Simple. Answer is 2. Easy, very easy. Then the third one, again simple application of complementary angles, right? Either in numerator or in denominator. Where? Okay, let's use it in the numerator this time. So what will be the complementary of 38? 90 minus 52. 90 minus 52 will give me 38. So complementary of 38 is 90 minus 52. Or you can say 38, it can be written as 90 minus 52. 90 minus 52. Denominator is cosec 52. What is sec 90 minus theta? Cosec theta. In place of theta we have 52. So answer is 1 here. Simple. Then the fourth sum, just next to it, 2 tan 53. Here I will use in the denominator. So cot 37, it can be written as 90 minus 53. Compulsory in the format of 90 minus or 90 plus you have to write down, right? So it will be 90 minus 53. 37 can be written as 90 minus 53. What is the value of cot 90 minus theta? Cot 90 minus x, tan x. In place of x we have 53. So that is again simple. Answer 2. Now the fifth sum. Something different. So here we'll introduce one concept, one important thing. 1 degree is 60 minutes and 1 minute is 60 seconds. That is what the degree is again divided into minutes and minutes are again divided into seconds. It's just like our clock. Hours are divided into minutes and minutes are divided into seconds. So now let us start. Fifth question. 10 20 degree 43 minutes. Then cot, how can we write 69 and 17? 90 minus what? If you don't know, then you can calculate this way. Let us do the rough work. 90 minus x is 69 degree 17 minutes. Let's find out x. So if we shift x this side and this term on the left hand side, do this subtraction. 90, right? 90 can be written as 89 degrees and 60 minutes. 69 17. Let us simplify. This will be 3, right? 4 0 2. So it will be 20 degrees 43 minutes. Let us substitute 20 degrees 43 minutes. Oh, it's similar to the numerator. It is always, right? After such simplification, which value you got? The value will be most of the times similar to the other value. If you convert numerator, then the value will be the denominator. What do I mean? I mean, if you add both these values, definitely you will get 90. You want to check? Let's check. 70 plus 90, 70 plus 20, 90, 70 plus 20, 90, 38 plus 52, 90, 53 plus 37, 90. These two if you add, let's add 20 degrees 43 minutes, 69 degrees 17 minutes, 60 minutes. So 89 degrees and 60 minutes. What it is? It is nothing but 90 again, right? So simple it is. So here again, if we simplify further, 10 20 degrees 43 minutes upon 10 20 degree 43 minutes. So this gets cancelled. Answer is 1. Simple. Next, sixth question. Again, if you see 36 plus 54, 90. So sixth question, right? So I will convert any one. I'll take the second term. So cot square 54 can be written as 90 minus 36. What is 90 minus x? Cot 90 minus x. It is tan x. So tan square 36. We know this is a square relation. Angles are same. So the value will be 1. Simple. Seventh question. Cos square 24, this, right? Now see here we have, this is a standard value. If you recollect trigonometrical tables, this is a standard value, right? So don't touch this. Touch other two things. So I'll convert cos. So 24 can be written as 90 minus 66, cos square 66, tan square 45. So this will be cos 90 minus theta, it is sin theta, plus cos square 66 minus tan square 45. This is 1, right? Square relation. Tan 45. What is the value of tan 45? 1. 1 minus 1, 0. Then prove that type of the sums. Let us do 8th one. Cos square, so we'll take LHS. Cos x square 56 can be written as 90 minus 34 minus tan square 34. What is cosec 90 minus theta? Sec theta. Sec 34. So sec square 34 minus tan square 34. Square relation. So the answer will be 1. Ninth one. What to do? Again, simple it is, right? Here, okay, I'll tell you after the solution is done. Let us start. Tan I leave it as it is. Tan 15 then I have. So 15 can be converted as 90 minus 75. Then I have tan 75. Then last one I have tan 80. So 10, 80. 80 can be written as 90 minus 10. Correct? So I have taken this LHS side. So 10, 10. 10, 90 minus theta, that is cot theta. So cot 75. 10, 75 as it is. 10, 90 minus 10. So it is cot 10. 10, 75. This will make 1. This will make 1. Ultimately the answer is 1. How did I do the sum? Now in such type of the sums, again you have to identify the complementary angle. See, 10 plus 80, 90, 15 plus 75, 90. So out of these two, convert any one. Out of these two, again convert any one. What will you do in this question? Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When you see odd number of such terms, definitely one of them will be a standard angle. If there are even number of turns, there will be no standard angle. See here, odd number of turns, we have a one standard angle, 30, right? So this value we know, tan 30 is 1 by root 3. 20 plus 70 is 90. 10 plus 80 is 90. So again, as simple as the 9th one. Let us do the 10th one. So if we take the left hand side, right, 10 10 10 can be written as 90 minus 80, then 20 can be written as 90 minus 70, 10 30 I leave it as it is, 10 70 as it is, 10 80 as it is, right? As I said, from the pair of complementary angles, convert any one. So I have converted only one. This will be cot 80, this will be cot 70, tan 30, tan 70, tan 80. So cot 80, tan 80 cancel, cot 70, tan 70 cancel, value of tan 30 remains, and tan 30 is nothing but 1 by root 3. Simple, right? Eleventh question. Express as angle between 0 and 45. That is the question, right? So we have to convert these angles between 0 to 45. What option we have? Complementary conversion. So complementary of 63, that will be 90 minus 27 plus cosec 49. So it will be 141, right? 90 minus 41 it will be actually 90 minus 41. So sec 90 minus theta, cosec theta, cosec 90 minus theta, sec theta. That is the answer. Simple. 12th one. Prove that. Right? So we'll take LHS. Sine 50 plus theta. Now again these two, if you see, add these two angles, what do you get? Add these two angles, 90 So again the same concept, complementary, but be careful. So how will we apply sine? This can be written as 90 minus 40 minus theta. Just see 50 plus theta, right? This thing I have converted in the complementary format. You have to be very careful in the conversion. If you simplify this, definitely you are going to obtain the first one. From this, how to get this, and from this, compulsory you should get the upper one. To convert this into this format, step 1, 90 you write, right? Then here it is 50. So what you have to subtract? 40. So minus 40. You have plus theta. So since this part is in the bracket, you will write here minus theta. So adjustment, that is called as. Then minus cos 40 minus theta as it is. So sin 90 minus, it is cos. So cos 40 minus theta minus cos 40 minus theta, right? Cancelled. Answer is 1. 13th question. Prove that, right? So taking LHS, sin A as it is. What is sin 90 minus A? Cos A. Then what is cos 90 minus A? Sin A. So taking a cross multiplication, right? Sin square A, cos square A. Sin gets multiplied here, cos gets multiplied here. Cos A, sin A. 1 upon sin A cos A. That is cosec A dot sec A. Right? Simple. Last one for today. 14th. So triangle ABC, we have this. Prove that. So now since it is given triangle, one thing comes to our mind, that is the sum of angles will be 180 degree, right? If you take a triangle, then angle A plus B plus C is 180 degree. So A plus B will be 180 minus C. Let us try to use this information in our question. So if we take left hand side, A plus B by 2, what is the value of A plus B? It is 180 minus C. So put it 180 minus C by 2. 180 by 2, C by 2. 90 minus C by 2. What is sin 90 minus theta? Cos theta. Simple. Magic, logic, science. See you in the next class.